Welcome to the Teaching and Learning Enhancement section of the Center for Teaching and Learning, CTL, established in 2015. For the past decade, we have proudly supported our teaching and learning community, working hand in hand with faculty, students, and administrators to foster a culture of excellence. As the university's central hub for teaching and learning innovation, we champion excellence in pedagogy by embracing creative approaches and integrating cutting-edge educational technology. Our mission? To elevate the educational experience for everyone. We provide professional development for educators and engaging activities for students, encouraging active participation, skill development, and creativity. These initiatives empower students to take ownership of their learning and inspire faculty to refine their teaching practices. For our educators, we promote teaching excellence through a diverse range of professional development opportunities. From tailored training to collaborative workshops and the HSUHK Teaching Excellence Awards sharing, we cultivate a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. For our students, we create a dynamic and enriching learning environment. Through student-centered initiatives, we foster engagement, collaboration, and self-directed learning, encouraging students to shape their own educational journey. Our goal is to spark curiosity, inspire motivation, and empower students to achieve their full potential in a supportive learning atmosphere. This year, we are proud to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the HSUHK Innovation Project Competition. Organized by the Center for Teaching and Learning, this competition has nurtured groundbreaking ideas, empowered students, and created a lasting impact on our community. Let's hear from the students themselves.
Because I'm already year 2, so I was like, I didn't do much here in HSU, so why not just joining it?
我上年就參加第二個呢個比賽啦，咁因為上年嘅主題就係比較智能城市啦，而今年係 ChatGPT 啦，我覺得佢每一年嘅主題都好唔同，而且都好有創新性，追得上潮流，所以我覺得唔同嘅主題咧都可以帶俾我哋唔同反思同埋我哋了解更多關於當下嘅趨勢。
咁其實我覺得下一個趨勢就會係環保啦，因為環保呢個議題其實喺而家呢個社會上面係越嚟越多人關注，無論係公司所關注嘅 ESG， 或者係一般人所關注嘅回收啊，用唔同方法去源頭減廢，其實亦都會喺呢個社會上面逐漸成為一個主流，大家所關注嘅問題。
朋友身邊都可以學到唔同嘅知識，就好似例如用 Figma 啊，用一啲 MIT App Development 啊，或者甚至一啲好多就好似一啲 FinTech 上面，就好似一啲地產交易咁嘅，同埋或者係你要喺講稿之前就提出一啲問題咁樣，就吸引眼力，從而讓我哋嘅演講可以更加專業，更加好似嗰啲蘋果發佈會咁樣嘅。
主動去同其他唔同嘅人交流，譬如話喺參加呢個比賽入邊，其實好多唔同嘅 workshop 嘅，可以嘗試去同 workshop 入邊嘅一啲主持人啊，或者係其他參加嘅同學去互相交流，去了解彼此嘅idea 同埋意見。咁其實喺兩個唔同 ideas 或者兩個唔同人交流之間，其實就會產生更加之激烈嘅火花，去形成一啲更加之好嘅創意。其實對你下年參加呢個比賽或者係之後其實都有好大幫助嘅。